Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today I am going to talk about something I've been doing for a couple months now, or doing it recently, is intermittent fasting. I'm doing 2 meals a day. Some days I could do 1 meal a day, but fasting is a really good way to help heal your body, give your body a break. It helps you lose weight as well. Okay, it's a really good tool to use. And really quick, to tell a quick story, when me and my wife got married, we were on a cruise ship to the Bahamas, and we had some seminar of this guy who's like super skinny and muscular, and he's like a fitness trainer, and he was talking about how to lose weight and how to increase your metabolism. And he said, to increase your metabolism, you need to eat 10 times a day, because he's saying that when you eat, you stimulate your metabolism. So to increase your metabolism, you had to eat constantly. And before I knew better, that made sense. But now with the keto diet and intermittent fasting, that's 100% wrong. When you eat, you stimulate insulin. And I do a lot of research online, and Dr. Burt is a really good resource for keto and fasting. Check our channel out. I learned a lot about insulin, but insulin is the hormone that blocks fat burning. It's going to raise it to stop the sugar, slow down the sugar in your bloodstream. So you can't lose weight when you're insulin resistant and have insulin going on in the blood. So every time you eat, you stimulate insulin. And so eating frequently 10 times a day stimulate insulin. So when insulin is not present in your body, and when it's really low, that's when you lose weight. That's when inflammation don't flare up, because you notice inflammation flares up pretty much after you eat, or in the middle of the night, or whatever. And insulin, you won't lose weight with insulin present. So fasting is a good way to lose weight. And when I first heard fasting, I was like, how can somebody eat once a day? How can somebody eat twice a day? 'Cause I'm starving. Well, the best way to do fasting is to get on keto, because with the keto diet, you increase more fats, and eating sugary foods and high carb foods, you'll be hungrier faster. Chinese food is a really good example of that. Chinese food, it's full of carbs: rice, noodles, lo mein, general toso chicken, sweet and sour chicken. It's all sugar and carbohydrates, and that's why when you eat it, you'll be hungry 2 hours later. Or you eat a sub sandwich that's full of bread, and meat does last a little longer. But when you eat a sandwich full of bread, or a quesadilla, for example, you eat a quesadilla, it's all carbs, and you're hungry 3 or 4 hours later. Whereas if you eat a bunless burger and bacon, you won't be hungry until 6 or 7 hours later on. So intermittent fasting does help. Keto is the best diet for fasting, because you're increasing your fats. And I'll eat a bunless burger. With lettuce, not much on the cheese. I throw mustard on and mayonnaise on it. Eat some bacon, avocado. I ate a big meal. Avocado, bacon, some sauteed spinach, some sauteed mushrooms. Ate a Quest bar with it, with the meal. I try to eat a snack between. Eat that around 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'm good for the whole night. Give it in the morning around 6:30, 7. Don't eat no breakfast. Lunchtime is around 12, 1 o'clock for me. Some days I can skip lunch. Some days I can't. But the days that I can't, I eat a small snack. I eat some salami and cheese, no carbs, no sugar in it. Salami and cheese. And that would hold me until dinner around 7:30, 8 o'clock. The days I ate 1 meal a day, I don't eat lunch or bring a snack. I just wait till I get off work and eat dinner. And that definitely will help with the insulin. Lower insulin will help fat burning. So intermittent fasting does work. With the keto diet, it's easier because I'm telling you this quick story. Went to Red Robin, was a burger place, and I got a boneless burger. I got an extra patty on it, bacon, blue cheese crumbles. It was really big, very fatty. I had instead of French fries, I had a side salad or blue cheese dressing. And let me tell you, we ate that around, it was a Saturday, ate that around 6:30, 7, it wasn't that late. I ate that burger, it was a massive burger. It filled me up. Wrapped in lettuce, no bun. And the next day, I was so full. When I didn't go to bed till like 2, 3 in the morning, I was up. That's another 7 hours being up, maybe longer. The next day I woke up around 9:30, 10 o'clock, ready for church for 11:30. Went to church, and she said, my wife said, "Are you hungry?" I said, "No, not really. I mean, I can wait until dinner." And I ate anything until dinner time. I haven't anything until dinner time, so ate one meal a day. And it's that easy because it's easier on keto because the fats will help you go longer without eating. I'll tell my wife that because she'll eat beef or pork. And why I keep eating bacon? Why I keep eating pork? I'm like, I could eat pork one time and go longer without eating. So she eat turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is more lean, is less fat. So turkey bacon, you can eat it, but you'll be hungrier because it's not a lot of fat. The fat in pork and bacon and pork will help you go longer without eating. So that's one thing I picked up on the keto diet and intermittent fasting aspect of it. Intermittent fasting is easier on keto, and I'm at a point now, if you work 5 days a week, I don't eat breakfast. I mean, eating 2 meals a day is still fasting. It's easy to do 2 meals a day now because I'm not hungry in the morning. So I try not to eat in the morning. I try to go long as I can without eating in the morning. And some mornings, hell, I eat. I'll be hungry. Or I'll have a craving for an omelet or something. You know what I'm saying? I go get an omelet. And I get omelet with, bacon and sausage and green peppers and onions and mushrooms in it, wrapped in, in eggs. And that's still keto friendly. And I eat that once in a while, you know what I'm saying? But compared to what I was eating before, bacon, eggs, French toast with syrup, corned beef hash browns, all that. And then I eat that at 9 o'clock. And then by 1 o'clock, I'm starving again. Like I have to eat because all the sugar and all the carbohydrates I've eaten. Now I eat bacon, eggs now, and I go longer without eating. An omelet is pretty good because the omelet held me until lunchtime. And lunch, I had a snack. So intermittent fasting is really good with keto. It's easier with keto. You can easily do it with keto. Eat keto diet, you can easily do it. 'Cause I'm not even hungry. And with the fat, you can't overeat fat. Like you can't have 3 boneless burgers. Like you could only eat 1 or 2. Like it's just too much. It's just too much. And we have a boneless burger, and you have maybe bacon and something else with it. After a while, you get full fast. Like you get full. I ate chicken wings last night. I got full fast. I don't overeat. You can't overeat meat, but you gonna eat sweets and cakes and cookies, and you can eat whole pizza. You can eat 4 or 5 slices of pizza, and you can eat a whole half a cake, and then be hungry an hour later. You can't overeat meat. You can't do it. You just get full quicker, and you stay full longer. So that's my video for the day. Intermittent fasting is just a quick, long video, but fasting does help your body recover. Doing keto will help fasting. This is my video, and thanks for watching.